Welcome back to AI Ad Action. Today, I'm introducing an incredibly useful tool for all content creators, especially those working on YouTube. Have you ever had your video flagged for copyright issues because of background music? Or worse, had your account suspended due to violations you didn't even know about? That's truly a nightmare for any creator, isn't it? But don't worry. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Soundraw, a brand new AI-powered music creation platform. Not only does it help you avoid copyright issues, but it also provides powerful tools to create music perfectly tailored to your content, and all with just a few clicks. You know, finding high-quality, royalty-free background music that fits your video can take hours, sometimes even days, and free music libraries don't always meet your needs. Soundraw is the answer. It's an advanced AI platform that allows you to create custom background music based on your style, mood, and purpose. With Soundraw, you'll never have to stress over copyright issues again. Your music, created exclusively for you. Now let me guide you on how to use Soundraw. First, head over to soundraw.io using the link in the description below. The best part? You don't need to create an account to get started. Just click the Create Music button and you're ready to go. Once you click the button, Soundraw takes you to the filter page. Here you can customize many elements to craft the perfect track. Let me explain each step in detail. Customizing music with AI, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose the duration of your music. First, pick the duration of the music that fits your video. For example, if you need music for a short intro, you can select 30 seconds or 1 minute. If you're looking for background music for a longer video, choose durations like 3 or 5 minutes. Step 2. Adjust the tempo. Next is the tempo, which directly affects the emotion of your video. A faster tempo creates excitement and energy, while a slower tempo brings depth and calmness to your content. Step 3. Select genre, mood, and theme. Here you'll find a wide range of options to filter your music by genre, like technology, romance, adventure, etc. Mood, happy, mysterious, intense, etc. And theme, wedding, gaming, cooking, etc. For instance, if you're working on a tech video like I am, choose technology. Step 4. Fine-tune with instruments and intensity. This is my favorite part. You can add or remove instruments and adjust the intensity of each section of your track to match your creative vision. There are 4 levels of intensity: quiet, soft, minimum, balanced, intense, powerful, and extreme, super intense. Experiment with each level to feel the difference. Advanced features of Soundraw. Soundraw also offers advanced features for deeper customization, such as mixer, adjust the intensity of each section, or add smooth transitions between parts. Key settings. Change the pitch of your music to better fit your video's tone. BPM adjustments. If you want to tweak the tempo after creating a track, you can do so with just a few clicks. With these tools, Soundraw gives you full control to create truly unique and professional quality music. And guess what? Right now, Soundraw has an incredible Black Friday deal. You can get 50% off the monthly plan, 80% off the yearly plan. This is the perfect chance to own the most advanced AI music creation tool at an unbeatable price. But remember, this offer is only valid until 11:59 p.m. on November 29th, 2024. So don't wait. Click the link in the description and sign up today. Thank you so much for watching this video.